Baking bread at home is more than just a culinary task. It's a journey into the heart of tradition, an adventure in flavors and textures, and a testament to the joy of creating something from the very basics of nature: flour, water, and yeast. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring the rustic charm of sourdough, the hearty wholesomeness of whole wheat, and the comforting sweetness of banana bread. Sourdough, a dance of fermentation and patience. Starting with a simple mixture of flour and water, we cultivate our own starter, a living community of yeast and bacteria that breathes life into our dough. Watch as we mix, fold, and nurture our dough, guiding it through slow fermentation to develop its characteristic tangy flavor and chewy texture. Witness the transformation in the oven, where the loaf blooms with a golden crust that crackles with warmth. Whole wheat, a return to the roots of bread baking. With whole wheat flour, we embrace the full, rich flavors of the grain, incorporating the bran and germ for a nutritious and satisfying loaf. This segment will guide you through the process of hydrating the flour, kneading to develop gluten, and baking to achieve a soft, hearty loaf that's as nutritious as it is delicious. Perfect for sandwiches or a simple, buttered slice, whole wheat bread is a staple that nourishes the body and soul. Banana bread, a sweet departure from traditional yeast breads. Banana bread invites us into the world of quick breads. Here, overripe bananas find new life, mashed and mixed with flour, sugar, and eggs to create a moist, tender loaf that's as versatile as it is easy to make. This segment will show you how to customize your banana bread with nuts, chocolate chips, or spices, making it a personal treat that's perfect for breakfast, snack time, or dessert. As our loaves cool and our kitchen fills with the irresistible aroma of fresh bread, we're reminded of the simple pleasures that baking brings. Each bread, with its own story and character, invites us to slow down, enjoy the process, and share the fruits of our labor with those we love. Join me in this comprehensive guide to bread making, where we celebrate the beauty of turning simple ingredients into extraordinary creations. Whether you're a beginner eager to try your hand at baking or a seasoned baker looking for new inspiration, there's joy to be found in every loaf. Let's bake, share, and savor together.